Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to view save passwords in Google Chrome. Why would you want to know how to view save passwords in Google Chrome? Well, maybe it is your first time using Google Chrome and not sure how to view save passwords in Google Chrome. So today I am going to show you how to view save passwords in Google Chrome. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Viewing saved passwords in Google Chrome is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open Google Chrome browser. Now on right top corner, you are seeing three dots. Click on it. Now click on settings. Click on autofill and passwords. Click on Google Password Manager. Here are all of your accounts that are connected to your Google account. Click on any of these. Here is the password. You can check from there your all passwords that are connected to your Google account. There you go. If you wanted to know how to view saved passwords in Google Chrome, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.